Hello everyone, I want to welcome you back to my kitchen. So today we are making an Italian pasta salad. So I've got a event to go to this weekend and it's kind of a potluck. So I've decided I'm going to make an Italian pasta salad. And who doesn't like a good pasta salad? So to all my returning viewers, I want to say thank you to the support that you have given my channel. And to my new viewers, welcome. So let's grab our ingredients, let's get our aprons, and let's get started. For our pasta salad, we're going to need the following: shredded Parmesan cheese, rotini pasta, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, Italian dressing, black olives, grape tomatoes, and a red onion. So the first thing we need to do is get all our vegetables chopped up and ready for our salad. And there we go. All our vegetables are chopped and diced and sliced. So let's move on and let's get our pasta. All right, so we've cooked our pasta based on our package instructions, and we're going to give this a quick toss, make sure none of it's sticking together. So to this, we are going to add in our diced red onions, our bell peppers, trying not to make a mess here, and our sliced tomatoes. Come on. There we go. Almost. There we go. Move this out of the way. Gonna give this a quick little toss. Start mixing this up. Then we're gonna add in our black olives. We'll continue to toss. And our Parmesan cheese. Now, if you like, you can use the shredded cheese. I'm sorry, the grated cheese, but I'm using shredded. And let me see, just, it might be a little more. What the hell, just go ahead and put it all in. Now make sure everything is covered. And now we're going to add in our Italian dressing. And you're going to probably want to reserve roughly about a half a cup. There we go. Because the pasta will absorb a lot of the dressing. Give this a toss. And see, I'm just making messes. But in the kitchen, it's expected to make a mess. Mix. Yep, see, I'm just throwing stuff everywhere. Now, ideally, you want to set this in the fridge for about 2 hours, but we should be good to go because it'll probably be about an hour before I get to my event. So, like I said, we're going to set this in the fridge for a little bit, and we'll be back in a bit. Now, I know I said ideally we want to leave this in the fridge for about 2 hours, but I couldn't help myself. So I'm going to give this a quick bite because I'm all about pasta salad. Vegetables are all crunchy. Oh yeah. Perfect. So, I hope everyone enjoyed the video. Oh man. So I hope everyone enjoyed the video. I want to thank y'all for watching. To all all my current subscribers, welcome and thank you for everything that you have done to help support this channel. For the new viewers, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on any of my upcoming videos. And as always, enjoy cooking in the kitchen, and see you next time.